departing to Malaga where the local time is approaching 7:15. Please remain seated in your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete final stop and the captain switched off the fasten seatbelt sign for you. Please take care when opening overhead lockers as items of your car and luggage may become dislodged on landing may fall out considered true. Large and portable electronic devices must remain switched off and securely stowed away, and you may now use your mobile devices. To any passengers that smoke, please refrain from doing so until you reach your destination smoking air while outside the terminal building. And on behalf of Ryanair,